What up, gamers? Today we're going to be looking at some Minecraft recipes from scratch. We've got here is a real-life crafting table with nice spots for ingredients. And we're going to be making some Minecraft food in real life. Thank you very much. This is the real world. Get off your gaming chair, wash it, and come watch this video with us. Welcome to Bon Apple Minecraft. Bon Apple Mine. Well, that doesn't make any sense. Why would I be saying that? Dad, I got here as fast as I could! My heart is low and my hunger is empty. I don't know what to do. I'm playing on hardcore, Dad! What? Well, I got a perfect solution for you, Charlie. Check this out. I'm going to show you how to make a golden apple. So first things first, put an apple in the middle. Then you take a piece of gold. It's not enough! Oh God. No more. Just let me die. It's fine. Just let me fucking die. This sucks. Ted, I think you need one more stick of butter. You're probably right, Schlatt. No more butter. Just make a powered rail instead and fucking run me over. Gotta cut this up. This is the part you don't see when you're zoomed into the crafting table. I can just tell this is going to be delicious. You might need one more stick of butter. You're probably right, Schlatt. No. Let me die. I need this. So now that we got everything right here on the... I'm looking at it through my camera. And I think you might need one more stick of butter. You know, Schlatt? You're dead wrong.